25 degrees right now, but remember, that's not a complaint. I know you guys are getting a nor'easter.
I was going to say, I'm going to hop on a plane out there and give you a talking to if that's a complaint. It is beautiful in Southern California, but when you're flying away from wind in 40s that we had yesterday, yeah, I bet it feels pretty warm out there in Chavez Ravine. All right, I just want to pass along. We just got an update from the Weather Service, and they confirmed 2 more tornadoes from Tuesday's severe weather in Worcester County, one in Hardwick and another in Hubbardston. The Hardwick tornado an EF1, the Hubbardston tornado an EF0. And I'll have more information on that in just a little bit as we gather some more of the details, and I'll spin up a new graphic on it. Now, we turn our attention to our nor'easter moving in this weekend. Tomorrow, heavy rain arrives, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, some up to 3 in southeastern Mass. The winds are our biggest issue, and some minor coastal flooding is also expected tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, just chilly, 30s and low 40s out there. Feels like early December. We're watching our nor'easter move in, and certainly in a month from now, this would be much snowier than what we're expecting tomorrow, but it's all green on the radar right now, and a small chance for some wintry precipitation early tomorrow morning. We'll be in the 30s, the clouds thickening up. Our rain and snow arrives between about 6 and 9 a.m. from south to north tomorrow morning. Areas most likely to see a burst of some wet snow and sleet tomorrow morning would be across northern Worcester County into southwestern New Hampshire, the Berkshires, as well as the Greens. So you've got about a 2 to 3 hour window with a chance of some of that wintry weather before transitioning over to cold rain, which the rest of us will be dealing with. So that cold rain with us morning, midday, afternoon, and in the evening, we'll be watching a warm front try to lift up across the Cape and the islands. And with that, we could see a couple strong thunderstorms develop here in southeastern Mass and some of that warmer air as we head toward tomorrow evening. So a real stormy day for us altogether, and it's a wash, unfortunately, with so many outdoor events. The timing is not great. Wind advisories are out across inland areas with gusts up to 45 miles per hour out of the northeast. High wind warnings at the coast, gusting up to 60 since we have so much foliage still. Certainly some downed trees, some scattered power outages are likely for tomorrow. So charge up the electronics, make sure you have some batteries nearby, and hopefully we'll have all the power back by the Red Sox World Series matchup tomorrow night. Here's a look at the winds. Breezy in the morning, then winds increasing as we head toward late morning, peaking around midday and into the afternoon. I think those east-facing slopes in Worcester County, as well as the coastal communities, that's where we'll see our strongest winds overall and that highest risk for some tree damage. As we head into the evening, the winds will start to dial it back and becoming much calmer as we head into Saturday night. In terms of any snow and sleet, again at the onset, mainly from the Worcester area north and west. And here in Massachusetts, not expecting any significant accumulation. It'd be washed away by that cold rain. Minor coastal flooding likely with the high tide cycle tomorrow afternoon. The seas building to 12 to 18 feet. Very stormy out there. The high tide in Boston is at 140, and for most of the coastline between 1 and 2 tomorrow afternoon. How about the rain side of this? Well, we have flash flood watches, southeastern Mass. Everyone gets 1 to 2 inches of rain, but some totals up to 3 are possible here in southeastern Massachusetts, so some street flooding will be possible. Temps coldest north and west of Boston, very raw out there. Mildest to the south and east, especially toward the Cape and the islands. And if you're traveling to the north, this is where we have a higher risk of some snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So especially in the greens, the whites, interior of Maine, that's where it's going to be pretty dicey this weekend. Sunday, we do get some breaks of afternoon sun, and temperatures will be able to climb up into the 50s. So for anything outdoors, Sunday is much better, to get outside. As we head toward Monday, some rain showers likely, and then clearing skies as we head into Tuesday. David, no 80s on our 7-day here in Massachusetts for when you get back home.
No. You know what? I'll put some in the suitcase for you, and I'll bring it back for you. I don't know if that works scientifically, but we'll try it. Eric, thank you so much.